morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy post of FOMC Thursday. And gonna make it really quick for you. And of course, I will add in a little clip just to give a smile to you on your faces, being that it's one more day before you can enjoy the weekend and be outside. Yesterday, little bit of pressure there on that upside when we broke above 4017, and it was touch and go, touch and go, touch and go until they started asking questions. And Jerome Powell just wasn't taking any shit yesterday. He was being direct. And we dropped down to 39.36. I was saying 39.35 to a couple of people that were asking me. Missed it by a point. Almost closed on the lows. So very good day. 65 points, 103. Like I said, it's all about the data. The data. And that's why we were looking for a minimum of an 88-point move. Elongate. He's a different kind of person. Don't try and mimic him. The guy's wife is the hottest chick in all of the Middle East, so leave it alone. We're up 2% for the year. Okay? And we went red again for the month. Now, this week, the weekly candle's 39.17. And I'm going to bring you over to the futures because a lot of people are going to be looking and saying, oh, the futures are gapping up. We're green. Well, here are your futures. And yeah, you hit your big low last night, right there at the close. And then you had this dead sympathy bounce going on. And this ain't looking good. That is not a bullish chart pattern in any way, shape, or form. So it is looking like we are going to be pressuring down a little bit further as we head into Thursday and Friday. And that Monday night low is not out of question still. So again, any failure that takes place today is obviously just going to add fuel to our view of where we're looking for as we go into the end of the month and as we go into the beginning of April. Here, NQ, NASDAQ, showing you the NQ, same thing. You are not looking very good over here, and as you can see over here where you landed, this is pretty funny, actually. Through there in your email, you went right to the Kramer tweet. I mean, you got to laugh about this stuff, man. Right to the Kramer tweet. So anyway, we should be looking at a break below the Kramer tweet, 305.87, and then see what reality is over on that 304 as we go into the weekend. We failed the 304. We've got the 2022 resistance line that's right down here, right above 300, and you got that 301 from Sunday night. So a lot of, not out of the woods yet, but definitely looking at some pressure taking place. Because again, here we are on the Dow. The Dow overnight, here's your drop on the FOMC, here's your overnight. The Dow's already committing to take out what was there from yesterday. So not looking good at all. And then you come over to the Russell, and it looks even worse. I've thrown the IWM chart over there into your email so you can have a look. Everything is dependent upon the NASDAQ. Everything is dependent upon the NASDAQ. Everything. So, again, monitoring what's moving around, what's coming around, all of the meat and all of the spices, condiments, the buffet is all going to be inside QQQ. So keep a watch on that. That's where it is. You obviously have your weight stocks, and I think that's what I'm going to do tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going to do a Weight Watcher special. We'll do a Weight Watcher special, and we'll go on from there. And that gap is filled, so we're going to be removing that. So here we go. And I will leave you with this so that you can enjoy your Thursday morning and have a great day. I'll see you in the chat room.
Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down.